Aster Airdrop is the biggest opportunity that I've seen in crypto in a long time. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal strategies that you're not gonna find anywhere else on YouTube. How we together as a community are going to farm the F out of this token. Let's jump straight in. Well, first of all, guys, you need some context on exactly what Aster token is because it's absolutely huge. Even though we're not here to buy the token, but there's going to be many of you that probably want to because I am for the long run. I've got a big spot bag for the foreseeable future. But this video is more about how to farm the airdrop. But it's definitely a possibly 100x investment. And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, listen to what CZ himself, remember CZ owns, and I'm going to show you the proof that he owns Aster coin, Aster DEX, right? But before I do, listen to what he says about DEXs. Remember, Binance, CZ owns Binance, the biggest exchange on the planet, centralized exchange, right? And now he's saying this about decentralized exchanges. Listen.
There's so much more to do. I think the current model where everything is fully transparent may or may not be the best model because yeah, you can see a big whale putting a $300 million short, but the guy who really want to do 300 million short don't want you to see it, right? So the guys who are putting that there,
yeah, there's a game. There's for sure a game, right?
It's for his effect. Whereas real large traders like institutions, so that's why traditionally dog pools are way bigger than what we call order books. Yeah, so I think there's a lot of room to grow, but I do think that future is decentralized. In the future, DEX is going to be bigger than CEX, and we want to invest heavily in those areas. Yeah, we want to invest in the things that will that will disrupt our business.
Are you already in the process of doing that?
Oh yeah, we invest in multiple DEX.
All right, in a nutshell, if you didn't hear that, because sometimes the computer plays up, right? CZ just literally just said that DEXs is going to be bigger than SEXs, centralized exchange. And he's invested in heavily into them. It's the future. It's going to surpass his own company. That's basically what it says. His company right now, well, before Aster, was Binance Smart Chain. That's like thousands of X since the start. And right now, you have the opportunity to get involved in the free airdrop or buy Aster token week one. All right? BNB is like years old. And he's saying this is the future of how people are going to buy and sell crypto and use perps. But anyway, we'll digress. So let's see the facts that this is CZ's company. There you go. Backed by YZ Labs. That is 100% owned by CZ, right? Also, look at this. BNB, Binance Smart Chain, reposted their stuff. Aster is coded. Come on. Now let's see what CZ has to say about it. CZ's personal Twitter. All right, cool. Let's go through. Take a break from Aster and BNB. He's literally talking about Aster in the same conversation of BNB. This guy is obviously pushing the sex narrative, essentially it says, because he knows that this is the future. All right, so now you understand who's behind Aster Coin. Let's see how we can actually milk the airdrop. Because guys, this reminds me of Hyperliquid. It's not something I want to share with you now. Very important. So Hyperliquid was the competitor of Aster. Aster probably created their platform because they see how much money Hyperliquid made, right? Hyperliquid had the same thing that the airdrop. This airdrop that Aster's having right now is about $1 billion airdrop, $1 billion, right? So was Hyperliquid. And guys, you look through Twitter and you put in Hyperliquid, people made millions of dollars, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars from the airdrop. And this is the same thing. It's a centralized exchange. It has about the same amount of airdrop, but even better, the person that's behind Aster is way huger than the person that's behind Hyperliquid. So this airdrop will be bigger than the Hyperliquid one. So anyway, let's jump in and I'll show you the platform and I'll show you how we can farm this airdrop. So if you use a link in the description, you know you're going to use a safe link because there's many fake links out there that will drain your wallets, okay? And then also we are working as a community to farm the airdrop together, which I'll talk about that in a bit, and you get the best rates possible. All right, so first of all, you need MetaMask. So make sure you've downloaded your MetaMask wallet extensions, right? So go to Chrome, put MetaMask, download that, send USDT to your wallet, all right? Very simple stuff. But whatever you do send, you can always convert it in MetaMask anyway, all right? When you got it to MetaMask, this is what you want to do. Now you want to connect with the link that I put in the bio. You press, in the description, sorry. Press connect. Then you connect your MetaMask. It'll give you options to get your MetaMask to the link. Very simple. Now, then when you're connected, you want to go to rewards. You want to go to trade and earn. You want to convert your USDT for USDF. Why? Two things. USDF is Aster's native token. One, you can actually earn 9.6% APR, right? Just using their token while you're trading. And two, I will come to that in a bit with all the terms and conditions of the airdrop. And this is one of them. But it's not like you have to use their token. You will get multiples on your rewards for using that token. But we'll go through that later on in the video and exactly what we need to do to gain more airdrops. But for now, just understand, convert your USDT to a mint, put minted deposit. I've already done this, so I can't do it again because I've already done it. Minted deposit. Now you're ready and just click it on. You might have to click a couple of times, be patient with it, I have to be patient with it. And then now you want to go to perpetuals because understand the two main things to get this airdrop. One is, like I said, make sure you got to use the platform, right? And it's perps. And I'm going to teach you how to perp trade. You know what? I'm going to give you a free course because remember, we're airdropping this together. We're farming this airdrop together because with my link, we are a team. So we're all going to earn more because the volume that we put in farming this token, okay? So if you use the link in the bio, also, there's going to be linked to my free course. It's going to teach you how to perp trade. Because the whole thing we need to do is trade to get this airdrop. So the more money that you put in, the more airdrop you're going to get. And trading perps is very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Watch the course. If you don't want to go for the full in-depth course, maybe it's like 2-3 hours, just go on any of my videos that talk about perps trading and just watch a video, and it's very simple. In a nutshell, you're going to make an educated decision if you're going to go up or we're going to go down, all right? And you can perps trade many different coins. You can perps trade Aster coin itself, which is a good trade because it's got a lot of volume, and all these other assets on here, okay? So now it says here USDT. Don't worry about that. It's a native token. It just says USDT. Very simple stuff. I'm not going to put a trade on because I'm actually going to have a look, do some deep analysis, which I'll teach you guys in that free course on my thesis. Am I longing or am I shorting? I'm not just going to go long or short. You can if you think Bitcoin's going to go up and there's like small leverage. It's not a problem. If you think Bitcoin's going to go up now, which obviously in the long run, of course we are, you could put a low leverage and just write it up because we're still in the midst of the bull run. All right? But that's that. So whatever leverage you use, I'd say no more than 50x unless you're scalping. You can use 100x. Limit order. Market order is good because market order, you can get in straight away. But if you know when you're going to get in exactly number where you're going to get in, the price, sorry, then use limit because the fees are cheaper. All right? Very simple. Now, if I put 50%, I've got $4,000 available that I put over. So 50% will be $2,000 on this trade. Okay, market, let me see if it allows on market. Can you do isolated? No. All right, cool. And then buy long or short. Buy means you're going to think the asset's going to go up. Short, you think the asset's going to go down. Very simple stuff. Now let's get into how you can farm more airdrops. A couple of things you can do. One is very simple, guys. With the link in the description, you can long Bitcoin, and then you can just open I wouldn't say another link, I wouldn't say another Aster, just in case they pick up your IP or something like this. But go on Blowfin, I have links to Blowfin as well, and long it. So you short it on Aster and long it on Blowfin. You're not losing. The only thing you can lose is fees, minimal fees. So that's another good strategy. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars worth of airdrop. So that's one thing you can do. You can long on this platform and short on another platform. All right. So that you're going to farm airdrops. So let's go through the main points of the airdrop. All right. So currently we're on stage 2 of the airdrop, which is till October 15th. But don't worry, there is a stage 3 as well. If you watch this video, the stage 3 up to the 15th of October. So let's just focus on the current days and times. We're just airdrop, farm. Okay, 4% will be allocated, which is estimated to be over $1 billion, right? Which is absolutely crazy. How they calculate the volume here, trading volume. So the more you trade on the platform, the better, especially if you guys that already trade anyway. Like I'm going to stop trading on my Blowfin for a week or two. I'm going to trade on here just to farm the airdrops. Holding time. So the longer you hold, the more points that you get. So like I said, the strategy could be like a 20x leverage on Bitcoin going up. Do you know what I mean? And just hold that throughout the bull run. All right. And just we'll scalp in and out. Okay. As the assets holding score. So that's basically you hold the native token. All right. Profit score, you actually make money. And team boost. This is the most important thing. The link in the description, guys, is part of our team. Okay. And the more I kind of promote the platform, the more rewards that we will get. So by using my link, I'm going to constantly put out content about this airdrop, because right now, this is the biggest opportunity that I can see in crypto for the next 2 weeks. So I'm focused on making content. So by using my link, you're going to earn more because you earn from me too. And you also can invite friends to use a link. All right. So guys, do not miss your opportunity, because if you follow me, you will see me on Instagram posting my wins from this airdrop. This airdrop is happening with or without you. If you participate with this airdrop, this can definitely change your life. I've seen many people Hyperliquid and it changed their life. Unfortunately, to be honest with you, this is why I'm so much on Aster, because I missed Hyperliquid, and I've seen my friends made hundreds of thousands and tens of thousands, even those people that made millions of Hyperliquid. And I'm not going to let this one slip from my hands. So there's a link in the description. Follow the methods that I says, and let's farm this airdrop together. Peace.